Today we're going to dive deep into a big feature on Insta360 cameras, FreeFrame mode, on two of Insta360's most popular kind of action cameras, the Insta360 Go 3 and the Go 3S. Personally, I love straight video in 4K on the Go 3S, but if you've been wondering why some people are unhappy with the Go 3S, you're about to find out. Hey team, welcome back to the Tech Packer. Let's get into it. First things first, what exactly is FreeFrame mode? This feature allows you to shoot video with a wide field of view and then reframe the footage later to focus on the best angles, giving you flexibility in post-production. Whether you're capturing action-packed scenes or vlogs, FreeFrame mode is like having a camera crew in your pocket. Now, both the Insta360 Go 3 and Go 3S come with FreeFrame mode, but they handle it pretty differently, especially when it comes to shooting vertically or horizontally. And this difference has sparked some serious debate among users. Let's start with the Go 3. The Go 3 offers a straightforward approach to FreeFrame mode. No matter how you hold the camera, vertically or horizontally, you get a consistent wide field of view. That makes it easy to reframe your shots later without worrying about how your footage was captured, either horizontally or vertically. The Go 3's FreeFrame mode is incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're capturing a landscape in horizontal mode or a selfie in vertical mode, the output remains consistent. This makes it great for casual users who want reliable, versatile footage without needing to think too much about how they're holding the camera. Now, the 2.7K resolution on the Go 3 might not give you as much detail as some higher end models like the Go 3S, but it's more than enough for social media and casual video creation. And the best part, you don't have to worry about your footage looking different based on how you hold the camera. Now let's talk about the Insta360 Go 3S, and this is where things get a little controversial. The Go 3S brings in 4K resolution, which is fantastic for high detail shots, but here's the kicker. The FreeFrame mode on the Go 3S changes based on how you're holding the camera. When you hold the Go 3S horizontally, you get that nice wide field of view that captures all the detail in stunning 4K. But when you flip the camera to shoot vertically, the field of view tightens up. This means you get a narrower shot, which might be fine for vertical content on social media. But if you are hoping to keep that wide look consistent across both horizontal and vertical formats and how you're holding the camera, well, you might be disappointed. And this is where some users are unhappy. Many people love that wide immersive feel that you get with the horizontal shots, and they want that same look even when they shoot vertically. So while the Go 3S gives you more detail and a better image overall, this shift in framing can be a big drawback if you're switching between horizontal and vertical orientations, often in FreeFrame. It's something you definitely want to consider if you're focused on maintaining a consistent aesthetic across your content. So, which camera's FreeFrame mode is the better choice for you? Here's the breakdown. If you're all about simplicity and consistency, the Go 3 is your go-to, if you see what I mean. You won't have to think about how you're holding the camera. The output will be reliable and easy to work with every time. If you need the highest resolution and don't mind the trade-off between horizontal and vertical framing, the Go 3S might be worth it. Just be prepared for some differences in how your footage looks based on the orientation. For creators who need consistent wide angle shots regardless of orientation, like if you're a mountain biker or you fly drones, the Go 3's approach to FreeFrame might be more appealing. But if you're after that best video quality and are willing to adapt to the tighter framing in the vertical mode, well then the Go 3S could be your pick. Both cameras offer unique strengths, but the choice will come down to what matters to you most: consistency or quality. Choose the Insta360 Go 3 if you want reliable, consistent framing and look in all situations. Go with the Insta360 Go 3S if you need that extra image quality and don't mind working around the changes in framing when switching orientations. What do you think? Does the tighter framing on the Go 3S bother you, or is the 4K quality worth it? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons from me, Saab Johal. Thanks for watching. Here's more Insta360 Go goodness for you right here. I'll see you there.